Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with prerequisites that matter: battery level and a stable Bluetooth link. First, put the watch on charger if battery is low, then make sure the iPhone shows the watch is connected. Now, on the Apple Watch tap settings, then General, then Reset. This is where you choose whether to reset settings or erase content. Once you reach Reset, decide between Restart, Reset Sync Data, or Erase All Content. Choose the one that matches the clock issue. Next, address the time source. Your watch follows the iPhone, so make sure iPhone date and time is set to automatic and the correct time zone. Once done, on the watch go to Settings Clock and confirm there is no offset applied. If there is, set it to +0 minutes. If you use a manual network or travel frequently, temporarily toggle airplane mode on and off to force a sync, then restart both devices to ensure the watch pulls the updated time. Finally, force synchronization and update software. On the iPhone, open the Watch app, go to General, then reset sync data to refresh contacts and time settings. Once done, check for Watch OS updates and install them. If the clock still misbehaves, unpair and repair the watch. This rebuilds the connection and restores a backup. Make sure you have your Apple ID and backup available. One key troubleshooting tip: if unpairing fails, sign out of iCloud on the iPhone. Restart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.